Okay, so here's my contribution to soldering. I have everything set up. What this is a water flow flux 2000. It's an old flux I've had for years, and same with the rosin core solder. It's a 6040. So here we go. This is my contribution. I got a hot soldering iron, and what I do is I kind of get it in there, and then what I do is I tin it just a little bit. Let's see if I can get this in camera just a bit. Okay, got that ready, and then I got a brush, and I just kind of dab it on the joiners there. This is nothing set up. This is just sort of how I do it. I just had to get this one done, so I get it on both sides. And then, let's get the flux out of the way. Okay, I do one side. Let me get this ready. Okay, so what I got, let's see what I do. Let's see if you can see this. I'm gonna do this side over here. Got the far side heated up. Give it a touch. Just a little bit, let it flow. Boom, that one's done. Okay, so then, I said boom. Oh, okay, sorry, Steve. Here we go. I got this side, and then we go one more. Little flux on there, and let it flow. A little bit more. Here we go. Sometimes I do the inside just a little bit. Okay, and let's do the outside here. There we go. And there you go. That's what I do. That's my soldering. So, hope you enjoyed it. That's my contribution to soldering. Thank you.